Hi guys, today we're going to make snails. Here comes Square Bear and Watermelon Monkey. Whoops! Uh-oh. What happened, Monkey? Looks like you slipped on something. Are you okay? I'm okay. Just my butt little hurts. Oh, that's good. What happened? What happened? Look at my hand. It's so sticky. This looks like slime left by a snail. Ew, yucky. No wonder I fell. I don't like this snail. He's not only slow, he also loves these stuff. Oh, that's his habit. I think he's cute. You know, everybody's different. You, for example, is always silly. What, me? Never silly. And it's not his fault that I fell. I don't like him. How about I make a snail so you get to know him better? Maybe you'll like him too. First, let's make snail shell. First, we take blue Play-Doh, roll it, and make a blue line. Then we twist it, and then we'll make a shell. Then we make other lines to decorate the shell. We use orange Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, and white Play-Doh. Now we shape Play-Dohs to make circles. Now we stuck them together and press them, like this. Now we continue building the snail. We use pink Play-Doh to make his foot. Also, we'll make other body parts like eyes. Now let's put them all together. We start with decorating the shell. Now we make 2 holes in the head and we put eyes in them. Now we finish decorating the snail. Monkey, look, here are 2 cute snails. They might be slow, but they're very persistent. They will always get what they want to get. Wow, I'll go play with the snails. And I think I like them. Alright kids, what kind of animal you like? My friend Monkey likes snails. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.